guys, today I'm gonna do, it's just delayed because a large storm just came. This is the actual airport, but all the flights for today is delayed. Alright, let's start with, I'm just gonna tell you all the airplanes. Let's start with a FedEx Lego 757 Express. Hold on, guys. Look at the logo. And then there's a whole airplane. And then another FedEx 777. And then we'll come right here really quickly. Delta catering truck, WestJet catering truck, not Polish Airlines bus, Delta bus, Southwest catering truck, Southwest bus, regular bus for Silver Airlines. So come right here. We have a UPS. Get behind. Another UPS 747. Another UPS 747 right there. Come into the main part of the airport. We have China Airlines MD-11 right here, a large airplane. Alaska 737, Alaska 737, Hawaiian A330, Fastjet 787, Lufthansa Airbus A340, Alitalia Airbus A330, American 777 right here, American 727, VAV MD-90, VAV MD-90, Northwest DC-10, AM International 777, United 777, just a regular plane in there. Hold on, guys, see if you can get into the hang. Is that the hangar? Hold on, guys. I don't know. So, guys, in the hangar is just a broken engine. United 747. Just broke. Hold on, let me take it out. Has no logo. See the broken engine. This is United. But we have a Spirit A320, Frontier A320, Allegiant A320, Allegiant A320, Delta 767, Southwest 737, Southwest 737, JetBlue A320, Air Canada 777, and we are with the China Airlines. So this next one, WestJet 737, a space shuttle. Hold on. There's the space shuttle. There's the UPS again. FedEx. There. Air Force 2 757. Air Force 3 A380. Go Boeing 747. Air Force 1 747. Emirates A380. Polish Airlines 787. Regular 787 Boeing version. Concorde. Air France. Air Mexico 787. Regular 747 Boeing, Concorde, British Airways, Turkish Airlines 777, Copa Airlines 737, Qantas A380, Gold Boeing 747. Start here. Lucid Airlines, a little private tour airplane, news traffic reporter helicopter, Goodyear blimp. Private 747, Airbus 737, Vin, private jet, DC-3. And last section, we have a Thunderbird, F-16, Blue Angel 2, F-18, C-5 Galaxy, F-22 Raptor, F-35, Blue Angel 4, F-18, C-17 right there, F-35, C-54, a drone, B-2, another large C-17. I think I already showed you that. F-35, another one F-35 drone, F-18 Blue Angel. I think that's everything. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.